In this Toolstop video, we'll be answering the frequently asked question, what should I look for in a miter saw? Owning a miter saw will allow you to quickly and easily make precise cuts at an angle, but what should you look for when choosing a miter saw? Firstly, the blade. Most miter saws will be packaged with a blade, but check the largest size of blade the saw will accommodate, as this will determine the size of the cuts you can make. Another important feature is slide functionality. A miter saw fitted with sliding arms or rails will allow you to accurately cut wide pieces of material in one clean pass. Buying a compound miter saw means that the saw blade will bevel over to the side, which allows you to cut two angles into the wood at once, and this is a great time saver. Other features to look out for in a miter saw include a light and a laser. Both will help you make sure the cut is 100% accurate. Dust extraction is also important, so make sure the saw can be attached to a dust extractor and that the manufacturer has some sort of dust chute fitted to collect dust from the blade while you cut. Finally, a worthwhile addition to any miter saw is a leg stand, which gives you a safe, stable base to work at while you cut. To have more frequently asked questions about power tools answered, visit the Toolstop blog, toolstop.co.uk/blog.